So how can you enable the voice chat in Roblox? This is what you will learn in this video step by step. So before we begin, you need to know that you should be 13 years or older to enable this feature on Roblox. Second, you will need a smartphone with a camera, and you will need a valid government issued IDs like driving license or passport or ID card. So if you have all these three, let's go. So here is the step 1 on your desktop. Click on the gear icon towards the top right hand side, and from the drop down menu click settings. So if you are on your mobile, then you can click the more button, which is towards the bottom right hand side, and from the pop-up menu you can click the settings. So we are back onto the desktop. Step 2, navigate to the account info. Your personal information and verification options are located here. In this third step, you need to verify your age by clicking the verify my age. So once you click this verify my age, this QR code will appear. You need to scan this QR code through your smartphone camera. If your smartphone camera is enabled with the QR code, otherwise you can download any application which can scan the QR code, and once the QR code is scanned, then a link will appear on the screen. In step 5, when you will click that link, it will open up in a browser and it will say let's go. You need to click that, and if it prompts you for granting the camera access, you need to give that. In step 6, you need to capture your ID and selfie. Follow on screen instructions to take a clear photo of your ID and then selfie for verification. Once the verification is complete on your phone, a pop-up will appear on your computer. You can close that, and now your account is age verified. So the next step is to go to your privacy settings, which are there on the left side of your setting menu. In the privacy setting, under the beta features, you will look for the enable voice chat, and then you need to click the toggle switch, which is towards the right hand side of that, and enable it from here. In the pop-up menu, accept and enable. So your voice chat is enabled now. Within the game, above your avatar icon, you will see a microphone icon. You can click that and you can start to speak to confirm that your microphone is enabled. But if it is not configured, the final step is that you can configure your mic within the game settings by ensuring that your input device is set to preferred microphone, and that's it.